Hi class, and welcome to week one. This is Global Business Skills week one overview video. At the beginning of each week, I'll try to post a new video to kind of go over what we're going to be doing that week, what the expectations are, what we're going to learn, and hopefully this will keep us connected so you get to hear from me what's expected each week. So week one, we're off and running, and this is Global Business Skills. If we go down to the content, here you'll see week one, introductions, and course overview. One of the nice things about doing these videos is I try to keep in mind that for some of you, it may be your first time using our Talon system, which you see here, talon.kirkwood.edu. It's our learning management system at Kirkwood for all of our courses that we teach. So if you are new to the system, please don't be shy to ask questions. I totally understand that. I remember being new to it myself, so totally don't mind any questions. So please reach out to me to figure out what you need to be doing. Okay, so if you have, hopefully you've already watched the welcome video to the course and the course overview and been able to look over a little bit some of the announcements and the welcome information that I've posted on our homepage to get us started. And I'm going to go ahead and talk about what we're going to do for week one. So I clicked on week one over here in the content browser, and that'll bring up what we're looking at right now, the intro video for week one. And then you can see the next item is the week one learning objectives. So what are we going to be learning this week? First, we want to introduce everyone and have you introduce yourself. And also I've posted an introduction in the discussion board as well. And just to get used to kind of the structure of the class. We do a lot of discussion forums in this class, so this is a good way to get started. Learning objective number 2 is building that group rapport and trust that we'll need to talk about some of the items that we'll be talking about in this class. Talking about culture can sometimes be uncomfortable, and we want to make sure that we've established an environment that's trustworthy and that people feel comfortable expressing their ideas and are not feeling judged or like they can't say what they need to say. If you remember in the syllabus video, I talked about the online etiquette that we'll be using to establish that trust. But in this first week, we also need to get to know each other. And that's what I've found in all my own interactions with people from other countries, is that it's really important to establish that rapport before we move on. We'll learn about what type of international experiences some of the people in the class may or may not have, and will be contributing throughout the course. So it's good to have that background knowledge about people's experience and work experience and life experience, all of it very valuable to our discussions. The third learning objective is to describe a general overview of the course learning outcomes and to describe a general overview of the course structure. So hopefully by the end of this week, you'll feel comfortable with what you're going to be learning, and you'll feel comfortable with how you're going to be learning it using the Talon Shell and using all of the activities that happen each week. So this week there are 3 activities. We will have 2 discussion forums and 1 survey. Let's go back and look at that. The first discussion forum is read the syllabus. So I find in online classes that the syllabus is so important for establishing expectations. And I really try to be comprehensive in the development of my syllabus so that you know what's expected of you in this class and how you're going to be assessed. How are you going to be graded? That's why it's important that you read it in detail, spend some time on it, and then ask questions. And that's what this discussion forum is about. It's your opportunity to read it in detail and come up with a question. So when you start a new thread here, which is what you'll be doing here, you'll click on this and you'll write down that you've read through the syllabus, and you need to post a short item on the discussion group indicating that you've read the syllabus. Select one of the rules of online etiquette that was referred to here and write a couple of sentences explaining why it's important to the success of our class. And then also post some questions about the syllabus so that we can discuss anything that may not seem clear. Because once you do your initial post, Then you need to do reply posts, 2 reply posts to here. And so if people posted a question that you also had, you can post something to add to the information about what you found. That's how you'll get used to doing these discussion posts. And remember to add additional information. The discussion posts are more and more valuable and get graded better when you add outside information, add something from a web page that you know about, or another idea about how online etiquette and what's important. Those are all very welcome. So if we go back, that's the first discussion activity. The second discussion activity is the graded discussion about introductions. Who are you? Let's get acquainted with each other. And this is where in your subject line, you'll type your name and then write some information, a minimum of 150 words. So in the class, that's standard. Every initial post should be a minimum of 150 words, and every reply post should be a minimum of 75 words. Your reply post should not just be agreeing with the person who posted it or just disagreeing. You need to add content, add some substance, add some resources, share a video, share a web page that supports your ideas. So that is really important to understand. Initial post, 150 words. Make sure you're citing your sources using APA format. And then your reply posts need to be a minimum of 75 words, and they are expected to not just be agreeing or disagreeing, but rather adding content, adding substance to the discussion. So those are the 2 discussion forums. And then the third activity for this week, which is due on September 1st, is your class cultural profile survey. So whenever you enter a new culture, as I mentioned, you need to get a baseline for the group in which you're about to work, which for us right now is this class, which is probably a very multicultural class with people of all different backgrounds and experiences. So in this cultural profile, we're going to ask some questions, and then I will report out the results of that survey beginning of next week. So that's the overview of week 1 for this semester. I hope that you will have fun getting started. I hope that you will reach out and introduce yourself to me personally, as well as on the course as soon as you can. Remember, initial posts are due on Wednesday, reply posts are due on Friday, and your class cultural profile survey will be due on Sunday. So have a great week, and I will be posting one of these videos at the beginning of each week. You might notice that some of the videos I leave in there from previous semesters if they haven't changed too much, but I do usually try to put a new one for this particular semester because I might have some specific feedback. Anyway, have a great week, and I will talk to you soon.